Describe two consequences of the Arab-Israeli War of 1948-49. 8 marks. This is the mark scheme for this question, which you can find out about in more detail in the overview video. But we do know that 4 marks are available for AO2, which is your analysis of consequence. So essentially, what happened as a result of the event, and why was it significant? Why was it important? To explain that, you need to be relying on AO1, which is also worth 4 marks, and that's for your knowledge and understanding of the period. So using evidence from your own knowledge to explain the consequence and explain why it's significant. It's that kind of detailed explanation using your own knowledge which shows that you can be analytical, and that is how you score highly on this question. You also need to demonstrate a detailed knowledge, so using evidence from your own knowledge is really, really important to score highly. There are lots of points you could make for this question, so as long as what you say is relevant and correct, the examiner will give you the marks. But let's take a look at some points that you could have included. Now, one consequence was territorial changes, so you can give some examples of this, such as Egypt gaining the Gaza Strip and the expansion of Israeli territory beyond the UN partition border. So yeah, you've taken your consequence, but you do need to explain it in a bit more detail to show that you've really thought of the significance and the impact of that consequence. There are lots of other points here, so do take a look through and see if there's anything you could have added to your answer.